What's going on, everyone? Sponsoring Jamini here. I have another broadcast here today. Today, I just want to do these five charts, not rather five charts. These companies that I see that they will be doing well for the next coming weeks or the next coming months or so. So today is the 9th. Sorry, today is the 10th of February. I don't know how I made that mistake. Today is the 10th of February 2021. So, the companies that we are going to look at here today, we are going to talk about BIDVEST, CASHBUILD, IMPALA Platinum, METAIR and 90, METAIR 91, and Old Mutual. So, let's jump right on it. Let's jump right on it then. So I don't know why my platform is doing this to me. Okay, so guys, the first one that I'm going to look at right now, it's BIDVEST, BIDVEST Limited. So I did this analysis about of BIDVEST about a few weeks ago on the Gentleman Stock channel. So what was happening there? We were trading around here at this level. So we were seeing that BIDVEST is going to bounce off this level, then it's going to start moving higher. So it did exactly that's what we anticipated on that analysis. And moving down from the weekly charts, looking at the daily charts as well, this company is doing the exactly same thing that we anticipated that it would do. So it bounced off this level and then move and broke out of this bull flag, so telling us that this move is not over yet because it reached our first target here at 168 rand, and then it touched the second target at 180. The possibility of a move higher to 190, it's still strong and imminent. And looking at the weekly charts and the daily charts, they're still strong that the markets will move higher, even close to 220 rand. So BIDVEST for me, it's still a buy. It's still a long buy that I'm going to hold on my personal portfolio. So the next company that people don't normally look at, it's CASHBUILD. So CASHBUILD has been there for some time now. It's been there for years and years. And people, I don't know why people don't look at this company, but it's always moving higher. It has a strong balance sheet. It has other strong under fundamentals behind it. So I still anticipate that CASHBUILD will move even higher, because look at this pattern here. It's a reverse head and shoulder there. So it broke out of this pattern here, and then it moved higher, and then broke this trend line here, and then it came back to test the trend line here, and then started to move higher. So I'm expecting a pullback to the 250 level, and then you'd see some buyers there, and then there will be some buying opportunities around this level, and then this market or this company will move higher to around roughly 347, and then the next target will be 420, and it can move as high as its previous high that it made at 518. So CASHBUILD, also this one, it's very bullish. It's strong and very bullish, since like the economy is like opening up slowly. So I'm anticipating that this company is also going to make, it's going to make 2021 very interesting. So another one that I was looking at, but I was just skeptical about it, but let me just take a look at it as well. So in IMPALA Platinum, ne? So this is Impala Platinum. This is the weekly charts. So we all know that almost every company out there, when the coronavirus started, somewhere around in February last year in 2020, the market crashed and then it came down. Almost every company went down, but Impala managed to recover and to manage to recover all their losses, and it traded in a range for quite some time, and then a few weeks back it broke off this box range, moving higher. So this is the weekly chart we are seeing here. This is the weekly chart. It's telling us, okay, the market is still trending higher. It's still trending strong higher. Even these weeks are candles telling us the market is still bullish. But it's not easy to just jump in on this market because you're just seeing an uptrend. But rather, what I can suggest is that after breaking out of this box range, it came back and retested the range, but now it's trading inside another range, so now it's at the top of this range. It's the second time touching this level, so I'm thinking here that either we're gonna jump in on this when the market pulls back to the 200 level, or we're gonna jump in when the market breaks out of this level that is right here. So there's two possibilities to jump in on this. It's either you jump in when it breaks out of the level right here at the top. Let me move this thing. Yeah, so when it breaks out this level at the top, roughly it's about 230 rands. Maybe we can try to get into this market and then jump in and move it higher, or we can wait for the market to pull back to this level. If it pulls back to this level, the 200 level, it will give us buying opportunities for the market to move even higher. The extension lower can even go as low as the high of the box range. It can even go to this level here. What was this level? The 184, 185 level, the breakout of the box range. It can come back and retest this level, of which it's still a strong level because the market was ranging for quite some time, and then we will see some buying power. Then the markets will move even higher. So another company that I want to look at is METAIR. I don't know how to spell this. It's METAIR or METAIR, but I think it's METAIR. Where is it now? Let me check the spelling. I think it's METAIR. Yeah, it's METAIR. Yeah, let me check it out. METAIR. It's METAIR or METAIR Investments or METAIR Investments. So this one again, it's pretty much really interesting. It's also really interesting. This one again. So I'm just gonna do a little elaboration on this one again. So I'm seeing that this company or this market, it bounced off this range recently, and then this range became supports the 106 the 1630 level rather. So it's moving higher. So the first target here, it's the first high that it made previously. It's the first previous high that it made the 2487 level. So possibly that it can still break this level. It can still break this level and even move higher to retest the neckline of the head and shoulder that it made here previously. So because it went down from this head and shoulder, this is the head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and then it started to move lower. So right now I think it's going to move higher, coming to retest the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, because it's been a while since it touched this level. So our first target will be 24, the 24.87 level. The next target will be the 30.65 level, and it can extend even as high as the 37.38 level to retest the neck, sorry, not the neck, the shoulders, both to retest both shoulders of the head and shoulder pattern. So this is just what I'm thinking that METAIR investments will do, and it's a strong buy, this one as well, unless their fundamentals do not match what we are seeing here on the chart. But it's a straightforward one that it will possibly move forward. So another one, it's 90, it's 91 or 91. Oh, 91, 91, 9. 91. Okay, it's this one here. So another one that I was taking a look at. I flipped a lot of charts, ne? So I'm guessing this one was recently listed in March 2020 last year, and it's been moving really nicely, moving higher. And this is the weekly chart now. So moving down to the daily chart, we're seeing that this market has made this round pattern that is here. Let me open the candlestick chart. So it has made this round pattern here. So every time it touched the lower band of this round pattern, it has become supported, telling us that a possible breakout to the higher, to the upside, it's very, very imminent. So this is a new company. It's a new company that recently got listed. It's about a year old. So it's about a year old being listed. So it's possible that there's still some people out there who still want to invest on this company right here. So the breakout of this round shape pattern will take us to 5 rand 32, and then it will move higher to 5 rand 84 rather, or 58.46. So I'm certain this company will be a much more greater investment again this year moving forward. So another one, the last one that I want us to look at is Old Mutual. So Old Mutual, the largest insurer in South Africa, the largest insurer by market cap, the largest insurer by, I also think, by client base as well. When I look at it, there's still room for it to move higher. Ne? It broke out of this range pattern there, and then it moved higher. But now it's trading at another consolidation. Ne? It's trading at another consolidation, same as Impala Platinum is doing. It's trading at another consolidation. So I think there will be some zigzag movement that is going to go on around here. But when it starts to move lower to the level of let me see, at the 140 level, ne? If it moves lower to this 140 level, it will give us buying opportunities for this market to go higher, or we can buy the breakouts of this small range at the 150 level. So buying the breakouts of this small range will take us to the 1651 level, and it will move higher to the 1797 level. So these are just this is just a simple breakdown of a few companies that I'd like to be looking at for the next coming weeks, for the next coming months, and the next coming days. So obviously, the entries the entries and the buying opportunities when they align with my strategy and my risk management, I will definitely post them on my premium channels. So this is a statement that I would like to leave it with you guys now. So when you use technical analysis, you do not have to follow the news. You see it first on your chart, then before you see it on TV or on any social media. So the news only confirm that your analysis was good. So right now, everything that we did here today, it was basically mainly technical. We are just looking at the technical analysis, the technical parts of the company, and then the news will confirm whether we are right or we are wrong. Because like companies are mainly driven by their fundamentals, by their sales, their client base, by everything that contributes to the good standing of the company. So technicals move first, and then fundamentals, they confirm what our technicals are telling us. So this is something that you should think about, and just look at it and think about it. So guys, thank you for this thank you for taking your time in watching this video. I couldn't be more grateful. I'll try to improve on the talking side, then trying to improve these interactions on these videos. You can follow me on TradingView at Interpret Asset M, and Facebook is Interpret Asset Management. On Twitter is Interpret Asset M, and then my personal handle is Sbo Lamini. So thank you guys. I will definitely see you on the next video and do another analysis. Thank you very much.